Hi and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Arduino IDE software to your computer. So first you're going to need to go to your web browser. I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to use that. And then search Arduino download. Now there will be a link saying download the software Arduino, so you just click that. I will link this down in the description so you can use that instead if you want. Now I'm using Windows, so I'll use this link, but if you're using a version of Linux, they're here, or Mac OS, then you'll select this one. So I'm using Windows, so I'm going to use this one. And then click just download, and save it to your download folder, and just wait for it to finish. Okay, now that's done, you can just click on it. And this screen, for some reason, doesn't show up in the recorder, but it's basically the user account control menus, and it has yes or no. You just click yes, and then click I agree for the terms and conditions, next, and then click install. And now all you have to do is wait for it to finish, and you've successfully installed Arduino. And that's it done. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. There should be some tutorials on Arduino projects coming soon, so subscribe and turn on notifications so you get alerted when I upload them.